Could this be the actual first leak of the DJI Mini 4? Let's jump into it. Is this DJI Mini Avata hybrid looking drone the actual DJI Mini 4? The battery design and the whole entire look of the drone just scream DJI Avata, and it honestly looks pretty cool. A couple of things I notice is the propellers are facing down versus up. The way that the drone folds up is a lot different than what we're used to with the DJI Mini 3 and other mini series drones. But like I asked earlier, is this thing actually real? Well, it was actually a prototype created by a drone enthusiast, Chen G. Gazir. And I'm not sure if he works for DJI or knows anybody at DJI. This could literally just be his own computer generated renderings that he created on his own accord with no background knowledge. But one thing I also noticed is look how big that camera is. That's a giant sensor. I'm not sure if this thing would actually fit the weight requirements of the mini series drones, but it's definitely a really cool forward-thinking design. Something that DJI is going to have to think about in the future is switching up their designs and making them a little bit different and improving them. And this definitely looks like it could be going in that direction. According to Drone XL, they don't really think that this is a very realistic design and what we would see from DJI. But it's definitely really cool to think about the future and what could be coming down the pipeline. The mini series has just been phenomenal with each release, and I'm very excited to see what the DJI Mini 4 will bring to the table. If you liked today's video, please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and also give the video a thumbs up. And until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video.